How to fix the software cannot be used at the same time as the game is running from Battlefield FC25 and more. So I'm gonna be providing you out very basic troubleshooting step, but the very first thing that we want to do is download a specific client from GitHub. Now open up your preferred web browser and then just simply type in um, algorithm interception. You should be able to see first result that will redirect you to GitHub. Click that. In here, scroll down a bit, and below interception, click on download the latest release. And then on the next page, the assets that you need to download is it's going to be the interception.zip. Now, if you click that, it will automatically start to download. I have already downloaded mine here. So once you've fully downloaded it, it's going to be the zip file. Extract the file anywhere in your desktop. And then this is going to be the folder. Open up the folder and then go into command line installer. And from here, copy the file location, Control C, open up your CMD. Make sure to run this as an administrator. And then these are going to be the commands that you need to execute for you to be able to manually install the Oblitum interception. So type in cd space paste the file destination and then type in dir and then just simply copy and paste this command right here. Once it is done, just simply type in exit, restart your PC, and relaunch the game. Where is the causing the problem with? That's it. Those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to fix the software cannot be used at the same time as the game is not running Battlefield FC25 and more.